Let us understand the concept of looping statements in Java. First of all, before understanding the complete looping statements with program and all, first of all, let us understand what you mean by loop. Loop means repetition. Okay, repeatedly a task is performing, that is nothing but a loop. Okay, here in Java, looping statement means repetitively a task is going to be performed based on a certain condition. Okay, means if the condition becomes false, then the iteration of a task is going to stop, or else it will not going to stop. So continuously the statement will be executed. Let me help you with an example. Now I want to print the hello 5 times. Okay, so what we will do, we will take copy and imagine that here main method class and all is there. Okay, so then paste, paste. So what we are doing, so repetition code, so system.out.println hello 1 2 3 4 5. So how many times we are doing? We are performing here 5 times. So instead of doing this 5 times, looping statements in Java will help us to write it in only once. Okay, and you can use the looping statement and you can tell to the Java, hey, I want to print the hello 5 times. Okay, so in that manner looping statements are going to be worked. Okay, so before seeing the syntax and all, code and all, let us understand what are the types of looping statements are present in the Java. So first one is while loop, second is do while loop, and third is for loop, and there is one more loop is there, enhanced for loop will tell, and it will come under a for loop only, but you can consider this as an enhanced for loop as a one type. Okay, so we will call this as a for each loop. Okay, so these are the 4 types of looping statements are present. Okay, so while loop, so see, all the looping statements are used to perform all the tasks repeatedly. So whenever we need to perform a task continuously or repeatedly, so in the scenarios we will be using the looping statements in Java.